How does LLDB compare to GDB's debugging features? Imagine you're trying to fix a tricky bug in your code. You have two powerful tools at your fingertips, but which one will make your job easier? Today, we're comparing two popular debuggers, LLDB and GDB. Both are designed to help you find and fix bugs, but they have different strengths and quirks. GDB, or the new debugger, has been around for a long time. It was built to work closely with the new compiler collection, especially the GCC and G++ compilers. GDB supports many different platforms and architectures, making it a versatile choice for developers working on legacy systems or cross-platform projects. It has a large community and lots of extensions, which means you can find plenty of support and tools to customize your debugging experience. LLDB is newer and part of the LLVM project. It was created to work seamlessly with the Clang compiler and modern development environments. LLDB is especially popular on Apple platforms like macOS and iOS, where it is the default debugger in Xcode. Its design focuses on speed and efficiency, making debugging sessions faster and more responsive. LLDB uses a more modern architecture, which helps it handle complex C++ and Objective-C code better than GDB in some cases. When it comes to command interfaces, GDB has a long history and a steep learning curve. It uses many short, sometimes cryptic commands, but it also offers extensive documentation. LLDB, on the other hand, tends to use longer, more descriptive commands, which can be easier for new users. It also supports aliases that mimic GDB commands, easing the transition between the two. Both support setting breakpoints, stepping through code, inspecting variables, and managing threads, but LLDB often provides more detailed support for modern language features. Platform support is another key difference. GDB supports a wider range of systems, including older and more obscure architectures. LLDB is optimized for modern systems and languages, especially those using Clang. If you're developing for Apple devices or using Clang, LLDB is usually the better choice. For cross-platform or legacy system work, GDB might be more suitable. Performance is also a factor. LLDB's modular design often results in faster startup times and more responsive debugging sessions. GDB has a vast ecosystem of extensions and graphical frontends, like the popular DDD interface, which can help visualize your debugging process. In practical terms, if you're working in an environment that uses Clang or developing for Apple platforms, LLDB is generally the preferred debugger. It integrates smoothly with modern tools and offers advanced scripting capabilities through its Python API. If you need to debug across many different systems or work with older codebases, GDB's broad support and extensive community make it a reliable choice. In the end, knowing both LLDB and GDB gives you a flexible toolkit for fixing bugs efficiently. LLDB's modern design and tight integration with LLVM make it a strong option for current development needs. GDB's long history and broad support ensure it remains a dependable tool for many different environments. Choosing the right debugger depends on your project, platform, and personal workflow, but understanding their differences helps you make the best choice for your debugging tasks.